Kuna nzire ya moyo wichanira ya yo kulika basaimi kaunti ya Kisii kwa nyolera bali emirimo yo gochena kaunti ya Kisii nigo litkolya lero mugavana Paul Simbarati anyara kora obuchakigwa kumurubirio okazi mashinani meyegetikia Nyamarambe ebunge ya South Mugrango ligwikirania eira yechingaki cyukoligia chikora
chingaki cyo boyoniga anyara koba kaguikirania bene chimashini chinya nechigari chigo cha ase chichiro 55 elyo gokonya kurusia eubi abayigo kwaneke muna ngochi chana chire
ngana no moske Simbarati nega basai wetania chiribo 25 nomo barachie kwenyorera emirimo ase ogonchererania kera omutinyi elyo banyorere engeria yechiribo 10 buna gutumanya mulikito PFL machine
ono gokobora ababara inumbora na inu nega asimotagete
Cheremo yokweneke muna basaime kaunti ya Kisii kwenyora barama baga yokwenyorere mirimo yogo chene kaunti ya Kisii Nigori tukurerero mugabana bwe kaunti ya Kisii Muska Paul Simbarati nyarakabaga kora ushaka kumuroberio manyikana kazi mashinani mejegetigia chikosori kya Nyamarambe bunge ya South Mugrange kaunti ya Kisii erego ikirania irahe chinga kichokorigia chikora
pressure that I welcome you all to this historic occasion as we official launch of Kazi Mashinani program, an initiative that reflects our administration's commitment to creating opportunity our people while transforming the face of Kisii County. Today is more than a launch of a program. It's a fulfillment of our people promise that we made to them at the time of the campaign. From the first day we assumed the office, we committed that will give the best to our people.
Okwana chinga kicho nigo muskara cyanya kabaga kwigorera bo igobene chimashini chinyene chigari go cyase chichire 52 erego konya ko Rusia ubi ereko chichena.
Today we are launching what you're seeing here. There are 20 tippers, new tippers which are going to help us in dumping of the maram to our roads. Today there are skip loaders. We have 5 of them, 2 they are here. We are giving skips to 57 markets. Because a clean city, you know, we normally say, or there is a say which says, cleanness is second to godness.
Kuringana no muske Simba nigabasa gwetene chirwe 25 nomo baraje kwenyorere mirimo asogonchire nekero mutinyi eri banyorere ngere chirwe ikomikero yomo.
Through this program 30 residents from each ward 45 will engage in every month on a rotational basis, while 350 more workers will be deployed within Kisii Central Business District. This rotational arrangement ensures that over time, many more households across the county will benefit from this employment opportunity. Up to 2027 July, we'll have engaged 26,000 Kisii residents who will have gotten at least 10,000 in their pockets.
Na pia kujenga madarasa na pia leo ameleta hapa na kuachili watu 2000 kutoka kwa wodi zetu zote 45. Ndio maana mimi nasema ile zawadi kubwa mnaweza patia gavana Simbarati itakapofika 2027 mwaka ujao, mweze kumpatia zawadi ya kumchagua kwa mara ya pili. Simbarati tutam.
Nigaya awikirana somokyoye bogoti chimenganyi yonsi yobokurumi me county ya Kisii.
I decided to step on the pipe that people use to siphon out billions of Kenyan people's sweat. Today, we're here to make a reason why devolution must work. To have a reflection and make a commitment to our people. that yes, with good leadership, their money is safe.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kurasige tige chigosori Kenya marameme ya bunge ya South Magrange County ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.